Good morning, students. In our last period, we saw about Millennium Gallery, sources of history. My dear student, from which sources we come to know about history? We come to know about history from the reliable sources like Bhojpatras, Tadpatras, inscription, Tamrapatras, vessels, temples, old buildings, documents, and many more like well, step well, viharas, mathas, like that. My dear student, yesterday I said about Millennium Gallery that whatever happened in 20th century, it means from 1901 CE to 2000 CE, whatever happened, each and every major and minor event, they were published in the magazines of December 2000, news and magazines. So, and these are called, this is called Millennium Gallery, that I have already explained. My dear student, at that time, in ancient time, the scripts were written in Pandu script. What was the script? Pandu script. My dear students, articles were written in Pandu script. My dear student, first thing, yesterday I explained about Bhojpatras. So whatever things are written on the bark of the tree, board, that is called Bhojpatras. I write here, on the bark of tree, burj. My dear student, this tree normally be found on the mountains of Himalayas. It means, once again I repeat, Bhojpatras means the things which were written on the bark of the tree burj, that is called Bhojpatras. Now when we consider about Tadpatras, Tad means palm tree. So the articles which were written on the bark of the tree palm, that is called palm tree. My dear students, now third, the inscription. Inscription means, my dear students, in ancient time, kings when they give order or they have some treaties with other kings, okay, and whatever things are given, they write in a metal or maybe a stone. So things which are written on stone pillar, that is called inscription. It means things are written on stone pillar. That is called inscription. My dear student, when we consider about Tamrapatras, my dear student, when the word Tamra comes, the meaning Tamra means copper, Tambu. That is in English we say copper, in Gujarati we say Tambu, another name is Tamra. So the things which were written on copper plate, that is called Tamrapatras. My dear student, in ancient time, the things were carved on vessels also. So this is one of the sources of history. My dear students, here temple, when we go and when we visit some temples, my dear students, it is written on the wall of the trees about the things. Those who have visited the Junagadh, the Girnar mountain. And my dear student, there you will find one inscription written by King Ashoka after the battle of Kalinga. After the battle of Kalinga, when he saw the destruction of a human life, killing of animals, and his heart was totally changed, and he thought that he will never fight again. And in order to stop this killing, this kind of things, he followed the Buddhism. And in order to spread Buddhism, my dear student, he wrote many inscriptions at many places. And one of the inscriptions we find in Gujarat, Junagadh. So the things which are written on stone pillar, that is called inscription. My dear student, all buildings, we are here. And my dear student, we know in Karamsad is well known for our leader Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. And my dear student, today also the house of Sardar Patel is still there. Many people they visit. When we visit this old house, we come to know about the history of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. My dear student, so many years, means more than 100 years back he was born. And my dear student, we know the history about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel here from his house, and one smarak is there near Krishna Hospital. My dear student, documents. Documents means the things which were written in old times, but nowadays we have very few documents because most of the documents are destroyed by insects. These things are destroyed by the insects. That's why we do not have many things about this. But still, some government institutions or museum, they are preserving. My dear student, in Gujarat, there are 4 private institutions. They are preserving Bhojpatras and Talpatras. They are, number 1, Sri Hemchandracharya Library at Patan. Sri Hemchandracharya Library at Patan. Second one is LD Institute of Indology, that is Navrangpura. In Ahmedabad. Third one is Tribal Museum. At Gujarat Vidyapith. And last one is Mahavir Jain Aradhana Kendra. Mahavir Jain Aradhana Kendra at Koba, Gandhinagar. These are the private institutions preserving Bhojpatras and Talpatras. My dear student, one government archive is there that is located in Delhi. archive is there. National Archive. National Archive is located in Delhi. They are also having some reliable sources through which we can come to know about the old stories. The source, we can say, the sources of history. Thank you.